Okay everyone, so today we are going to make a Mexican pizza. This recipe is for the kids. Mom, let's make these kids some good Mexican pizza. The ingredients you will need to make a Mexican pizza. I'm going to use 1 pound of ground beef. And I'm going to use 1 pound of ground sausage. You will need some taco seasoning mix. You can just get 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. Here I have this in this can, but we're going to use an amount that equals to 1 packet or 2 packets of taco seasoning mix since we're using 2 pounds of meat. You will need 1.5 cups of taco cheese or Mexican cheese blend. I'm using the Kraft taco cheese blend, okay? Here I have some green onions. I'm gonna dice these green onions up. I'm going to use these diced tomatoes with green chilies. I will be draining them. You will need some burrito style flour kind of soft tortilla shells, okay? And this is what I'm using, cheese flour tortilla shells. Don't pick at my hands. I've been washing them, so yes, they are ashy. I gotta put some lotion on, but I have been continuously washing them. Everybody, you will need some red enchilada sauce, okay? I'm gonna use 6 to 12 tablespoons because I'm doubling my recipe for this Mexican pizza. All right, red enchilada sauce. You're gonna need some H2O, okay? H2O water. Doesn't have to be in the bottle, okay? So you're gonna need 2 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons, depends on how much you're making. If you're doubling the recipe, like I am, you're gonna use 4 tablespoons of water, okay? Some aqua. Okay, so I'm using my air fryer liners to lay on my pizza pan for baking my Mexican pizza. So yeah, this is parchment paper that I have, okay? So that's what I'm using. I'm gonna use my kitchen shears for this. I'm gonna cut this end off. This going in the trash, y'all. Okay. But we're gonna cut this green onion up. And this is easier, okay? I'm gonna show y'all. If you have kitchen shears, use that. See that? See how easy that is? You cut you some green onion. Voila, I have my green onions chopped. I had to strain my Rotel, y'all. So remember to strain your Rotel. Voila, no liquid in the Rotel sauce. Okay, in my skillet, I am going to brown up my ground beef and my sausage. How many of you guys like Mexican pizza? I know the young kiddos do. The teenagers in college. It's summertime, summertime, summertime. Let's give these kids something that they will want to eat. Try your best to crumble your meat up. If you have a meat masher, potato masher, go ahead and use it. I'm using my wooden spoon. And it will eventually begin to crumble once it cooks. So I'm gonna allow this to cook down, and I'm gonna get it brown, and then we're gonna move on to the next step, okay? Now, I got this oil in here. Sausage creates a lot of oil. So if you don't want to pick it up and drain it, you don't have a strainer, remember you can put some paper towel down. If you didn't know, this is a hack to soak up that oil. Make sure it's clean paper towel, okay? See? We're gonna soak up this oil. See how much easier that is? Way easier. Now, I'm gonna add in 4 tablespoons of water because I am doubling the recipe. The exact recipe will be left in the description box below. You will need to get 2 packets of taco seasoning mix. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add your taco seasoning mix. Also add in some black pepper. You gotta put some flavor in it, and black pepper always add flavor. You don't need any more salt. Add some garlic powder. And that's about a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, after you get your soft flour tortilla shells for your Mexican pizza, on the baking sheet, you're going to spread some of your enchilada sauce on each taco shell. And that's about 1.5 tablespoons, okay? Summertime magic, summertime fun. Yep. Kiddos, this is something easy for you to make, okay? It's gonna be really, really delicious. You know, this isn't Taco Bell's, because the only difference between this and Taco Bell's is Taco Bell's stack 2 tortillas and they add refried beans. Okay, so let's move to the next step. Now it is time to spread our cheese, which you know we're using our Mexican cheese blend, all over our Mexican pizza. Woo. I can't wait to eat this, y'all. Yummy goodness. Leave some comments down below what you would top your Mexican pizza with, okay? What are the ingredients you use if you make Mexican pizza? Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to bake these in the oven. Okay, so after you spread your cheese on top of your tortillas, you are going to bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until your tortilla is crisp and the cheese is melted. Yeah, this smells really, 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 really good. I'm glad I made this today. So we are going to top these with our green onions. Like so. I know this is gonna add a lot of flavor. It look like it's stuck together, but we're gonna cut it up. Okay, now we're gonna put some of these tomatoes from the Rotel we drained on top. Try to spread this out so I'll make it look more appealing. And if you just want to cut up a fresh tomato, if you don't have a can of Rotel, you can. To me, that's good too. You don't want them all bunched together like so when you're trying to fix it to make it look decent, okay? For your friends, your family, whoever. Okay, everyone, so here it is, my Mexican pizzas that I made for my kiddos. It's nice, it's crunchy, you see that? And you see by using the parchment paper, it's not sticking at all, okay? Also, I am going to open up my sour cream. Now, if you want to top this with some jalapeno peppers, you can. I didn't do that because this Rotel may be spicy enough for the kids. Dollop. Always a dollop to me. Or if you had the spreadable kind where you can just squeeze it out, you can do that. Okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, everyone, for another great video. Peace and have a wonderful day.